In this video, we're going to dive into how to use Unicode for Wi-Fi QR codes. If you've ever wondered how to share your Wi-Fi network without handing out the password, Unicode can make it incredibly easy. Stick around because I'll also be revealing some alternatives that might just be a better fit for your needs. Let's start with the basics. Unicode is a QR code generator that specializes in creating codes for Wi-Fi networks. With it, you can generate a code that allows anyone to connect to your Wi-Fi simply by scanning the code. No more typing in passwords, just scan and go. Now, to use it, you'll need to open up Unicode's website. Once you're on the homepage, the process is simple. Next thing, enter your Wi-Fi details. You'll need to input your network's SSID, which is just the name of your Wi-Fi network, and make sure you choose the correct security type. Unicode supports WPA, WPA2, and WP, so it works for most common Wi-Fi setups. Once that's done, just hit generate, and voila, you have your QR code ready to go. Now, there's a catch. One of the downsides of Unicode is that while it's simple and effective, you can't easily customize the design of the QR code. So, if you're looking to create a branded or visually appealing QR code, Unicode falls short in that department. But it does its job well when all you need is a quick, straightforward solution. The fourth thing to consider is compatibility. The QR codes you generate with Unicode are widely supported and can be scanned using most QR code scanners or even your phone's camera. It's as easy as pointing your camera at the code and connecting to the Wi-Fi without any extra steps. However, while Unicode is solid for Wi-Fi QR codes, it doesn't offer much beyond that. If you're looking for a QR code generator with more advanced features, like analytics or the ability to create different types of codes, such as for websites or text, Unicode might not be your best bet. That brings me to alternatives. Some other QR code tools might offer more flexibility and features for creating Wi-Fi QR codes. These tools let you customize, track usage, and integrate with your business needs more effectively than Unicode. These alternatives are also easy to use, and some even offer extended free trials, so you can test them out risk-free. To wrap it up, Unicode is great for generating Wi-Fi QR codes quickly and efficiently. But if you need more than that or want more customization options, there are alternatives that offer more features and extended free trials. In fact, through the link in the description, you can get an exclusive extended free trial for the best alternative to Unicode, with benefits only available to our viewers. Be sure to check it out and compare for yourself.